What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have some bad news. Safety recall notice. Important safety recall in accordance with federal law. My truck's being recalled, guys. Take your last look at her. Being recalled, we got to take her in, and the dealership is going to take it off our hands. It's an important safety recall, and they just honestly they gotta take the truck back. FCA has decided that a defect which relates to motor vehicle safety exists in certain 2017 Ram 2500 vehicles. Guys, I don't know what to tell you, but we're gonna have to say our goodbyes. And we might just have to start over. All our hard work is just gone. Why does my vehicle need repairs? Just kidding, guys. Pretty much we got a recall on our truck and we're taking it in to get serviced at our guys at Cummins Chrysler. Pretty much the tailgate latch on these trucks for some reason becomes faulty. Something breaks in it where it can drop. And good thing I have the tailgate assist on there. It won't drop hard, it will drop slowly. But you could be driving down the road and the tailgate will just disengage and open up and spill your payload. I know my truck hauls so much, so when the tailgate drops and everything in my bed rolls out, it can be hazardous to the drivers behind me. So we're gonna get that taken care of today. Go see our guys up at Cummins Chrysler. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of videos out there nowadays with my dealership did this, dealership did that one guy, I forget his name right now, but the dealership that burnt his car down, who forgot to seal up a fuel line or something, burnt his Hellcat to the ground. You see so many videos of dealerships being, bad. Some other dealership that wouldn't take some other guy's Hellcat back or something like that. But there's so many videos out there of negative videos on dealerships. And I'm gonna tell you, the guys at Cummins Chrysler, this is one of the best dealership experiences I've ever had. I know you guys have, I've told you guys in previous videos, that's why I will continually go back there. I'll give you guys their information in this video, so if you guys are looking for a car, whether you're in the Ohio, Indiana, wherever area you are, and you want to order a car, talk to these guys, man. I'm the best in the business. I can't thank them enough, and I can't tell them, how well of a job and how awesome of a dealership these guys are over there. So I'll give you guys their information in this video. You guys are looking for a car, and yeah, they'll help you out, guys. Trust me. Okay, so about 2 seconds ago, I know you were on your phone, but what speed did you think we were going? Honestly. And you're thinking lifted truck, 37s, highway, mud tires. What speed did you think we were going?
65.
No, that was 90.
What?
I literally recorded. That's why my camera was up there. Going 90. Definitely.
We're doing 75 right now.
We were doing 75 right now, but we were doing.
It feels like not that fast.
In Mexico City, on the highway. You take the long route to Cummins. So Mexico City doing 90, and did it feel like 90?
No.
Exactly. A lot of people comment on my other videos, and they're like, talk about. I love it how you see when people get all defensive about buying cheap parts, and they're like, they go on this whole ramble about how cheap parts and stuff have worked for them, and it's like, yo, I'm not saying to buy, expensive parts for a reason. Yes, cheap parts every once in a while will work out for you, but quality wheels, quality tires, lifted truck, definitely the wrong gearing right now, but going 90, the truck, and we're slowing. Truck was smooth as can be. You couldn't even tell. When I say that stuff, I say it for a reason. If you buy quality stuff, your truck will ride like stock, or will ride like you have stock tires on it. So when you're sitting there, your truck's sitting there shaking, vibrating, rattling, and rolling, something down the line is not right. Oh, all right, guys, look at that. Oop, I don't know if I'm in the right gear or the wrong gear, but she is home.
Another mojito.
Right where we picked her up. about 6 months ago. And wow, it looks so big in here compared to that. I had to fold my mirrors in to get through the door. 2019 Hellcat. It's a boy. Rapist on a wheel. Ooh, very nice. Went with the orange Brembos on this one. Oh, see, I should have went with the Laramie. So nice. But I love my color, so yeah, the orange calipers do look cool. I didn't even see the seat belts. I wish you could get them with orange seat belts, but no, it's either red or black. I kind of like more spokey wheels though. Just the 5 spokes a little for me. You look and you stand right here, this green, and that thing is the same color, but in the sun it looks like a whole different color. I mean, the blue's tight. However, this, oh my gosh, on the camera it looks red, but this is like literally pumpkin orange. That's what sucks. I want to see what Go Mango looks like on the, that literally looks red. I can't even, look at it. Yeah. It looks red. It's orange. This, that looks even more red. Dude, that's so crazy how the cameras can't pick this up.
Yeah. Well, here, get this, because this is orange and that's red.
Well, yeah, but
it just looks red.
It just looks like a redder red.
2 different reds.
But yeah, no, I don't think I can go Mango. B5 is tight, but like, I don't know if that's for me.
I need the gap cover that covers the gap of the back seat when it folds down. It only comes on the Jeeps that have the leather in it.
So hot. Wait, you turn the screen on by touching it.
Sure.
Auto. Yeah, turned on. Yeah. Auto. Man, yeah, but no, this looks good. I just don't know. That's that. I mean, it looks a good color, but I don't know if I like that. This also good color. I don't know if that's me. This looks good, but it's not as orange as I hope. Now let's see if we can get it from this angle. Aha! Look at how orange that looks. It's crazy on camera how this doesn't look orange and that doesn't look orange. I love it how literally just says color green. Anyway, look at this. Parts, labor, $0, all of that. Warranty under, everything is under warranty, just like that. Install block, stop block per recall. Simple, quick, 10-minute job. If you guys have a Ram like this, check, there's a website for, you know, putting your VIN in and check if there's any outstanding recalls. I recommend doing that. Get out there, check it, make sure your truck is, you know, safe. Whether you use your bed often or not, the tailgate falls while driving, not exactly the safest thing. If you check, if you guys have a Ram, it's like 17. I think some of the earlier ones might have something too, so just put your VIN in if you have a newer Ram and check it out. You don't want any failing tailgate latches. And like I said, it's like a 10-minute job and it's free, so under warranty. And as you can see, yes, I took my heavily modified truck in for warranty and recall work. And did they turn their nose up at me? No. Ooh, older one, but this plum is extremely nice. Like the plum, here's another B5, old vet. But this maroon is actually really, really clean. I do like the maroon. Gotta come over here and show you guys a crazy brown Ram too. Unfortunately, this is only can be ordered 2-tone, but look at this brown, which you probably don't hear every day, is look at this brown, but it's so nice. This is a awesome, awesome looking brown truck. It was better in the daylight, but oh, that's beautiful. All right, yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, guys at Coghlan, super nice guys. That you saw the array of different specs and builds and stuff they have there, and that's because they're all car guys. They love cars, they love, you know, what they do. You know, awesome dealerships. So like I said, if you guys need anything, they help me and Ben out for that matter. But they helped me out, and you know, great guys to go to. I know a few of you guys have actually called, ordered stuff for them, asking about ordering stuff, because they've told us, got something coming. It finally shipped. It was being made, and it finally shipped, and it should be here Monday. That should be installed, and you guys are gonna love that. And like I said, my last video, you guys are gonna benefit from that too. That should be here Monday. Super excited about that. Windshield tint over the weekend. I gotta see depending on scheduling. If not, it's definitely gonna get done next week. Yeah, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you guys have a Ram within, you know, recent years, go check it out. See if your truck has a recall. Tailgate, you know, just simple thing. Just get it taken care of. 10-minute job, and usually dealerships have the parts in stock, so just go, you know, take care of that real quick and get that taken care of. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care, and thank you for 40,000 subscribers. We finally hit it. That was the longest climb ever, from like 38-ish to 40, but we finally hit it, and that's super awesome. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, and I cannot wait till this channel grows, and once we hit 100, it's gonna be a party. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. See you guys in the next video. Peace.